This is 1.5 ATA pressure test for double person cabin chamber. This is the chamber body, and for this order we match with the 30-liter concentrator. And now the pressure reached 1.5 ATA already. We can show you the panel. You can see that we set the pressure in 1.5 ATA, and now the real-time pressure reach almost 1.5 ATA. The deviation is about 2 kPa. That means that the pressure will be around 48 kPa to 52 kPa. And this is the pressure record. This is how we connect the chamber body with the concentrator. And for every connector, we attach the notice to tell you the function. And this is communication cable connector.